how to activate your UnitedHealthcare UCard. You can activate it online. You have to go to the UCard activation website. Just open up your browser and go to the official website. Log in or register. You can log into your UnitedHealthcare account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, you may need to create one. Activate your UCard. You will just follow the prompts to activate your UCard. You will likely need your card information such as the card number and possibly a security code and personal details for confirmation. You can also activate it by phone. You can call the activation number and just follow the automated instructions to activate it through the phone. You can also do it through the UCard Hub, which is an app. You want to download the UnitedHealthcare app from the iOS or App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in with your UnitedHealthcare credentials and activate your UCard. You want to look for the option to activate your UCard in the app and just follow the prompts to input your UCard details. Using the UCard, once activated, your UCard can be used for healthcare benefits as well as for certain approved expenses such as over-the-counter items, depending on your plan. You can manage your UCard and check balances through the UnitedHealthcare website or app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.